94.3 Radio 1, and tonight I have a very special guest on Pirate Radio. I promised you that he would be here, and he's here. Say hello to Farhan Akhtar.
Hello, everyone.
I'm so excited that you took out the time. Thank you so much for coming today.
You're most welcome. I was looking forward.
So, Pirate Radio is where we decide to let whoever comes in and loves music play 40 of their favorite songs. So, what are your songs like? What kind of music do you like listening to?
I think when you scan down my list, you realize that I really do like a lot of rock music. So whether it's classic rock, kind of new age rock, alternative rock.
Right.
But that really is the kind of music that I normally listen to in
Sure.
my car
Yeah.
when I'm at home. So
Yeah.
the list is pretty much made up of...
What's your oldest memory of a song when you were growing up and your first song?
I think the oldest memory of music for me is with the Beatles.
Yeah.
There was a huge collection of LPs that my mom had of Elvis, of the Beatles, of ABBA,
Yeah.
Boney M. But somehow the one that used to appeal most to me as a child were the Beatle albums.
Right.
And I remember listening to the best of the Beatles. There was this collection
Sure.
that I listened to every single day. And especially I remember the Benson and Hedges World Series
Right. Yeah.
1985. And it was played in Australia, and it used to come here really early in the morning,
Okay.
the matches.
Yeah.
And since everyone was asleep and I couldn't put the volume up too
Yeah,
loud, so I had to plug the headphones in.
And then
And I
listen.
used to keep listening to that.
Oh, wow.
And watch all those matches. So
Yeah.
that's really my earliest memory.
That's fantastic. And we kick things off with Strawberry Fields. Why did you pick that song?
I think it's a nice happy morning song, you know, and it's a great way to start a playlist off by
Sure.
having something dreamy and really out there. So enjoy the song. I love it, and I'm sure you will too.
And we're going to play Baker Street up next. And this is one song that I actually do recognize off your list. Well,
Yes.
quite a few of them. But, and what's the song all about? What does it mean to you?
To me, it's quite a meaningful song. You know, I think it touches upon many things.
Yeah.
Just I guess a certain philosophy of life. Although it's got a bit of some melancholy,
Yeah.
you know, kind of to it. But and of course there's a great kind of saxophone or riff
Right.
that's a part of the song. Again, just really it makes me feel really thoughtful.
Sure.
You know, so it's one of those songs, and yeah.
All
that's
right.
my choice.
Well, so let's all get a little thoughtful now. Taking you all the way to Baker Street, this is Jerry Rafferty. I'm Malini. You're listening to Pirate Radio, 94.3 Radio 1, Maximum Music.